So guys, Saint Patrick's Day is slowly but surely approaching, and today we will be making a card that is inspired with Saint Patrick's Day and that you can give to anyone you love on this beautiful holiday. For this DIY you will need a white cardboard of any kind, so you make the card. If you want the card to open, you can just fold the A4 format of the cardboard and you will have a foldable card, but we'll be making this one that is just one-sided card, so you don't need this much big of the cardboard. So we'll just cut it in half, and I will just cut it in general on a sizing that I feel comfortable with, that I like. You will need the scissors also. You will need a pen to draw the 4-leaf flowers. You will need a pen to write something on your card. You will need the glue. So this is the size of the card that I personally like, but you can make any size. And we will make it in a landscape format. And then we will write something on the card that we want. I will be using this gel green pen. I thought it's a good idea because it's St. Patrick's Day, so everything needs to be green. So I will just write down on the card feeling lucky, because that's just the symbolism and I love it. It's very positive. So we will just write it like here in this corner, and in this corner we will make like a little garden of 4-leaf flowers. I think it will look very nice, so let's try. I don't have a beautiful writing, but I will try. I think I like this one, so we will just finish that, and then you will draw on a piece of paper your 4-leaf flowers. And the easiest way to draw 4-leaf flower is like when you're making 4 little hearts and then making their ends not pointy but, you know, wide, so they go together in one dot. And you can also print it down, but it was easier to just draw it on the piece of paper. And this is my stencil, so you will need a green paper, and I have just a normal paper, but it's in green color. And I will make as many as I can these 4-leaf flowers, and then we will glue them in this corner with the paper glue. So let's cut the 4-leaf flowers. So when you finish this step, we need to cut them, of course, from the paper. You can skip this whole step. You can just print the 4-leaf flowers as many as you want and then just cut them from the printed photos. But you know, when you're doing DIY, I think then it's really nice to really DIY it, to just do it by hand. And of course they don't look the same, and that's all good because it's handmade. That's the point. I will keep the stencil and I will cut the rest. When you finish the cutting, we are going to glue these 4-leaf flowers, and there's a lot of them. You know, when you cut them, you see, it seems like it's a lot of them. I like it. So we'll be using this xoxoxo paper glue. You can use any paper glue that you want. And of course, you're gluing down the side that there's the pencil on, so we have only the nice side. And yeah, we will glue them in different like patterns to look wild, you know, to look all over the place. And I think I need to put just a little glue. And this is how the card looks like. I'm loving it. It's so cute. And we can, like, here you have the space to write the card. I will link down below in the description box my Pinterest and the Pinterest board where you can find pin that inspired me for this card and where you can find pin for this particular card that I will be making, that I will make after this video. I hope you like the card. I hope you like the idea. I think it's super cute. It's not dry yet. So yeah, I hope you like the card. It is, you know, DIY made from heart. I hope you like it, you like the idea. I will link down below in the description box my Pinterest board where you can find the pin that inspired me and where you can find this pin. Also, I will link down below my 2 other channels, travel channel and motivation educational channel. Follow me and contact me wherever you want. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and sound and find your inner ground. And if you're celebrating Saint Patrick's Day, I wish you a great celebration, a great holiday. Have a great time. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys!